Kia owners, your vehicle has settings active right now that are costing you money on every single drive. And it has other settings that are turned off right now that are quietly leaving you less protected than you should be every time you pull out of the driveway. This is not about hidden features or Easter eggs. This is about the default configurations that Kia ships every vehicle with. Configurations that were set by engineers calibrating for the broadest possible range of owner preferences across the widest possible range of driving conditions. Not for your specific situation, not for your specific driving pattern, and not with your specific wallet in mind. Whether you drive a Sportage, Telluride, Sorento, Seltos, K5, Niro, or EV6, 7 settings in your Kia right now are either costing you money you do not need to spend or leaving safety capability inactive that you are already paying for. Every one of them takes under 5 minutes to change, and every one of them starts producing a benefit on the very next drive after you change it. Let's get into it. Setting number 1, the drive mode left on normal. When smart mode exists, this is the setting that most Kia owners have never changed from the factory default. And it is the one that is quietly costing them fuel economy on every single drive without them knowing a better option exists. Normal mode is the default setting across most current Kia models. It provides a balanced driving experience that is ideal for most road conditions and optimizes the vehicle's powertrain and suspension for smooth acceleration and reliable fuel efficiency. Most owners leave it here permanently because the vehicle shipped with it here, and nobody at the dealership explained that a more intelligent alternative exists. Smart mode takes the guesswork out of selecting the right drive mode by automatically adapting to your driving habits and road conditions. This intelligent system monitors your throttle input, steering patterns, and braking to switch seamlessly between normal, sport, and eco settings in real time, without any input from the driver. Here's why this matters to your wallet. In normal mode, the vehicle applies a fixed set of parameters regardless of whether you are accelerating aggressively onto a highway or coasting through a residential neighborhood. Smart mode applies aggressive throttle response when your inputs call for it and efficient eco calibration when your inputs suggest slow, relaxed driving, maximizing fuel economy during the portions of every drive where you're not asking for performance. Over a year of daily driving, the fuel economy improvement from smart mode versus a fixed normal mode is real and cumulative. Go to your drive mode selector right now, either on the steering wheel or the center console depending on your model, and find smart mode. Set it as your permanent default on vehicles where the system returns to normal at every ignition cycle. Set a reminder for yourself. On vehicles where the mode preference can be saved through the infotainment settings, save smart as the default. This is the single highest return setting change available to any Kia owner for zero cost. Setting number 2, snow mode not activated in winter conditions. This is the safety setting that most Kia owners in cold weather states have never deliberately activated. And that would have prevented a meaningful number of the low-speed winter weather incidents that Kia owners report every year in owner communities. Snow mode is available on all-wheel drive configurations across the Kia lineup. Sportage all-wheel drive, Sorento all-wheel drive, Telluride, and on some front-wheel drive configurations as well depending on the specific model and trim. It adjusts power distribution between front and rear wheels, minimizes wheel spin during acceleration, and optimizes traction control specifically for icy and snow-covered road surfaces. The safety benefit is not subtle. On a slippery surface, snow mode's reduced throttle sensitivity prevents the wheel spin that leads to loss of directional control during acceleration, the most common cause of winter weather incidents in light SUVs. The power distribution adjustment on all-wheel drive models keeps traction distributed optimally across all 4 contact patches rather than applying the standard acceleration logic that works perfectly on dry pavement and unpredictably on ice. For maximum effectiveness on Kia all-wheel drive models, pair snow mode with correct winter tire pressure. Cold temperatures reduce tire pressure approximately 1 psi per 10 degrees Fahrenheit of temperature drop. A Kia that left home with correctly inflated tires in October can be running significantly underinflated by January without the owner ever having checked. Underinflated tires in snow mode still provide significantly less grip than correctly inflated tires in snow mode. Check the pressure every 2 weeks during winter months against the door jam specification. Snow mode plus correct pressure is the combination that protects you. Setting number 3. Lane keep assist sensitivity left at factory default. This is the safety setting that most Kia owners have either left at factory default, where it triggers corrections that feel intrusive and annoying, or turned off entirely because those intrusive corrections were more distracting than helpful. Both outcomes represent an owner who never discovered that the system's sensitivity is fully adjustable. Lane Keep Assist on most current Kia models has a sensitivity range accessible through the infotainment safety settings menu. The factory default is calibrated for the widest possible range of drivers, including inexperienced drivers who benefit from earlier intervention. For most experienced drivers, that calibration triggers corrections on normal, intentional lane positioning movements, making the system feel like it is fighting the driver rather than assisting them. The owners who turn off Lane Keep Assist entirely after finding the default intrusive are making an understandable choice in the moment, and a costly one in terms of safety over time. Lane departure fatalities are almost entirely a fatigue and distraction event. The moments when a driver genuinely needs an alert are not the moments when they are deliberately positioning the vehicle near a line. They are the moments of inattention that nobody plans for. Go into your Kia's safety settings, accessible through the infotainment menu under the safety or driver assistance section, and find the Lane Keep Assist's sensitivity adjustment. Reduce it to its lowest threshold setting. Test it on your next highway drive. At the lowest sensitivity, the system only intervenes when the drift toward the lane line is genuinely significant, a calibration that most experienced drivers describe as natural and non-intrusive, while still providing the protection the system was built for. Keep it on at the lowest sensitivity. Do not turn it off. Setting number 4, the tire pressure display not enabled in the cluster. This is the money setting, the one that directly prevents the fuel economy loss and tire wear cost that comes from consistently underinflated tires, which is one of the most common and most consistently overlooked vehicle conditions in the Kia owner community. Your Kia's instrument cluster can display real-time individual tire pressure for all 4 tires simultaneously. On most current Kia models, this display is accessible through the cluster settings menu using the steering wheel controls. It shows the pressure in each tire in real time every time you start the vehicle and every time the pressure changes during a drive. The reason this setting matters to your money is direct and specific. Low tire pressure costs fuel economy at a rate of approximately 1/10 to 2/10 of a mile per gallon for every 1 psi of average pressure below the door jam specification across all 4 tires. On a Kia that runs 4 tires collectively 6 psi below specification, which is entirely common given that tires lose approximately 1 psi per month through natural permeation and temperature change. The fuel economy loss is real and continuous on every drive until the pressure is corrected. The TPMS warning light that most Kia owners rely on for tire pressure awareness does not illuminate until pressure has dropped approximately 25% below the specification. By the time that light comes on, the money has already been spent on excess fuel for hundreds of miles. The real-time cluster display eliminates that lag entirely. You know every morning whether any tire lost pressure overnight. You correct it before you drive, and the fuel economy loss never accumulates. Enable the tire pressure display in your Kia's instrument cluster settings right now. Leave it on permanently as one of your rotating cluster information displays. This one setting change pays for itself in fuel economy on the first tank of gas it prevents from being wasted. Setting number 5, the scheduled departure climate not configured on PHEV and EV models. This setting applies specifically to Kia EV6, EV9, Niro EV, Sportage PHEV, and Sorento PHEV owners. And it is the setting that is most directly costing electrified Kia owners money on every single morning drive without them realizing the cost. Kia plug-in hybrids give you the best of both worlds. Short trips powered by electricity and long-distance flexibility from the gasoline engine, but that electric range advantage erodes significantly when the vehicle is conditioning the cabin from a cold or hot starting temperature using battery power rather than grid power during the drive. The scheduled departure climate feature, accessible through the Kia Connect app, allows you to set a pre-departure time and target cabin temperature that the vehicle reaches automatically while still plugged in, using grid electricity rather than battery charge to run the climate system. When you get in the vehicle, the cabin is already at your target temperature and the battery is at full charge, rather than being partially depleted from conditioning the cabin during the first miles of the drive. For EV6 and EV9 owners in climates with significant temperature extremes, this single configured automation meaningfully extends effective daily range during the months when climate conditioning draws the most power. Configure it once in the Kia Connect app, set your typical departure time, your target temperature, and your seat heater preferences, and the system runs automatically every day without any additional input. Most Kia PHEV and EV owners who have never configured this are paying for cabin conditioning with battery range they could be paying for with grid electricity that costs significantly less per mile than the battery capacity it replaces. Setting number 6, the forward collision, warning distance left at factory default. Most Kia owners who have the available forward collision avoidance assist, standard on most current Kia models above the base trim, have never once adjusted the warning distance from wherever it was when they drove off the lot. And the factory default is almost certainly not the setting that provides the most useful protection for their specific driving pattern. Forward collision avoidance assist on current Kia models has a following distance and warning sensitivity that can be adjusted through the driver assistance settings menu in the infotainment system. The system can be set to warn at a greater distance, providing earlier alerts and more time for driver response, or at a shorter distance that matches the closer following distances used in dense urban traffic, where a distant warning would trigger constantly on vehicles that are not actually in the driver's intended path. Most owners at the factory default experience one of two frustrations. The warning triggers so frequently in normal traffic conditions that they disable the system entirely, losing the protection it provides in genuine emergency situations. Or the warning triggers too late in the situations where it genuinely matters, providing less reaction time than a properly configured distance setting would have allowed. Go into your safety settings and adjust the forward collision warning to the greatest available distance for normal highway and rural driving. This gives you the maximum reaction time for the situations where speed and stopping distance create the most risk. In dense, urban, stop-and-go environments where the greater distance creates excessive false alerts, reduce it to the middle setting for that specific driving context. Understanding that the setting exists and actively managing it for your driving context is the difference between a system that genuinely protects you and one you turned off because the default setting made it more annoying than useful. Setting number 7. The Kia Connect Vehicle Health Report not scheduled. Last one. And this is the setting that most directly replaces a paid service that many Kia owners are currently going to the dealership to pay for when it is already available to them for free through their existing Kia Connect subscription. The Kia Connect app, on vehicles with an active subscription within the 7-year complimentary service window, provides a vehicle health report that remotely accesses your vehicle's onboard diagnostic system and delivers a summary of current fault codes, system status, and flagged maintenance items directly to your smartphone. Most current Kia models include 7 years of Kia Connect service with every new vehicle purchase. Most Kia owners who have the Kia Connect app use it for remote start and door locks, and have never once opened the vehicle health section. The health report can be scheduled to run automatically on a weekly or monthly basis, delivering a proactive assessment of your vehicle's systems without requiring any manual check. It flags pending fault codes before they mature into check engine lights. It identifies maintenance items approaching their service intervals, and it gives you documented evidence of your vehicle's system status that can be useful during any warranty or dealer interaction. Dealers commonly charge a diagnostic fee of $100 to $150 to read fault codes from your vehicle's OBD system when a warning light appears. The vehicle health report reads the same information remotely and delivers it to your phone before you schedule any appointment, allowing you to understand the urgency of any flagged item before committing to a paid dealer visit. Open your Kia Connect app right now. Navigate to the vehicle health section. Schedule an automatic monthly report. Enable notifications for any flagged items. From this point forward, you have a free monthly diagnostic check on your vehicle that the dealership would have charged you for every time a warning light appeared. 7 settings. 7 configurations that are either costing you money or leaving safety capability inactive in a vehicle you are already paying for. Smart mode instead of normal. Free fuel economy improvement on every drive. Snow mode in winter conditions, the traction protection that prevents the incidents most winter weather accidents come from. Lane keep assist sensitivity adjusted rather than disabled. The safety system that works with you instead of against you. The tire pressure cluster display enabled. The setting that eliminates the fuel economy loss from chronically underinflated tires before it costs a single dollar. The scheduled departure climate for PHEV and EV owners. Range you keep instead of range you spend on cabin conditioning. The forward collision warning distance adjusted for your driving context. Protection that actually works for how you drive rather than being disabled because the default was annoying. And the Kia Connect vehicle health report scheduled. Free monthly diagnostics that replace paid dealer fault code reading. Every one of these takes under 5 minutes to change. Every one of them starts working on the very next drive after you change it. Save this video, share it with every Kia owner you know. Drop a comment below telling us which setting surprised you most and which one you're changing first. Subscribe for more Kia tips, money-saving guides, and everything the dealership forgot to mention. New video every week. We will see you in the next one.